What is up? It is your girl Lauren, and I'm coming back to you guys with another video because your girl wants to feel productive. So today's video is going to be a cleaning room video because my room is really messy and I can't really continue on without cleaning it, and since the sunlight is still out, then I was like, okay, I have time to be doing this. Oh, and also, my school is tripping, so apparently it's icy outside, but there's no ice or rain outside. So they was just like, okay, y'all can have a 2-hour delay. Then they were like, okay, y'all can have a 3-hour delay. And then they were just like, y'all don't have to go to school. I was truly blessed because apparently I had a test and I didn't study for it, so they knew, and they just canceled school. So I'm gonna just go ahead and get into this video, but for real quick, I'm gonna go ahead and go make me a cappuccino because I really want some coffee. I'm gonna taste test this cappuccino. I think I put too much sugar. Let me just add some more milk because I like my coffee to the point where you can't taste the coffee. But that's good. Fuck you! Okay, so my room is not that messy, but kind of only that half of the room looks good because yesterday I kind of tried to make it look nice because I had to film my video where you can only see half of my room. So I'm gonna just clean these right here. So tips for you guys is to make your bed first because then your room will already look 75% cleaner. Guys, literally I went to Walmart and I bought me a big pack of these because these are so good, and I just keep them in my room for whenever I get hungry. They the real snack. They the real snack.
Natural disaster. Gravity has been around me. Kingdom be falling, angels be calling. None of that could ever make me leave. Yeah. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Ooh, who could have thought I'd get you? Ooh, who could have thought I'd get you? And when we make love, your passion can be heard far and wide. It's only the two of us. Everything I need.
hope you guys enjoy that. I'm gonna come on here and say a few tricks and tips before I end the video, and these are things that personally helped me, and some of these are like obvious things that y'all already probably know, but I just want to go ahead and say it for you guys. So the first thing is obviously to turn on some music when you clean. This will make cleaning your room like so much better because you're like motivated and you're jamming, and like I always work better or focus better when I'm listening to some music. And then the second tip is definitely to make your bed. Your bed is such a large like area in your room, and if you clean your bed, then your room will already look 75% cleaner, like guaranteed. And then the third tip is like it has to deal with clothes. So if you're trying to fold your clothes, definitely like sort out all the different items into different categories and different piles. Like I put shirts in one pile, things I need to hang up in one pile, things that were like pants or underwear or socks or bras, all that stuff in a pile. And that made it so much easier to fold and put up in the drawers and all that stuff. And those were my tips and tricks. I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and peace.
Kiss me through the phone.